Hey Arduino friends, this video is about the analog sound sensor. The analog sound sensor is used to detect whether there is sound nearby. When the sound volume reaches a certain value, it will activate an external LED or buzzer if one is used. This sensor is commonly used in sound-activated switches, whereas the microcontroller is programmed to turn on a light or another device when the sound level exceeds a certain threshold. An example is a clap switch. Another use is in interactive projects, such as a robotic toy that moves when it hears a specified sound. It's also used for audio visualization, whereas the analog output can be used to drive an array of LEDs. An example would be more lights turn on as the sound gets louder, creating a visual equalizer. In this video, I will show you how to connect the analog sound sensor to the Arduino Uno board, upload the sketch, and read the activity of the sensor on a serial monitor. If you are interested in learning more about Arduino and sensors, see the link in this video's description. To get started, you'll need Arduino Uno and its USB cord, the analog sound sensor, 3 male to female jumper wires, and 1 LED. Taking a close-up view, this sensor has 3 important components: a potentiometer, used to adjust the sensitivity of the sensor. Turning the potentiometer lets you fine-tune the threshold at which the sensor's output signal will trigger. It also has a microphone, which is the main component. The microphone vibrates in response to pressure changes from sound waves. These vibrations are converted into a very small fluctuating electrical signal. And last, an amplifier, which is used because the signal produced by a microphone is extremely weak. This operational amplifier amplifies the tiny signal to a usable voltage range. This is actually the analog output. So let's get started on the wiring. Using a green wire, we connect S on the sensor to AO, which is analog output, on the Arduino. Using a brown wire, we connect V on the sensor to 5V on the Arduino. Using a red wire, we connect G on the sensor to G and D on the Arduino. Last, we connect our LED. The LED has a long leg and a short leg. We take the long leg, which is the positive side, and put it on digital pin 13. And the short leg, which is the negative side, to the G and D pin right next to the digital pin 13 on the Arduino. Now our wiring is complete. Let's open our Arduino IDE on our computer. This is where we input our sketch, also called code. Save the sketch. Now compile it. Make sure your Arduino board is connected to your computer using its USB cord. Once your board is connected, upload the sketch to your board. Now our sensor is ready. Simply create a sound like tapping next to the sensor to see the perceived sound level. In this case, our LED will light up. To see the sensor's activity on the serial monitor, go to the Tools menu on the Arduino IDE. Select Serial Monitor, and you'll see the readings on the serial monitor. Thank you for watching this video about the analog sound sensor. I hope to see you in the next video. Bye.